guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jessica and welcome to Jessica's Lifestyle. So today this video is just to show you little of my beach life in Accra, Ghana. So this place is called Aloha and it's located in Accra, Ghana, inside Labadi. And the place is really cool, really beautiful, has a nice, sea view, horses everywhere. I ordered a drink and yeah, I came here with my friends to just have a chill time, just chill and have a nice time. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this to see where and how you can chill in Accra, Ghana, in case you want to go to a beach. So this is me chilling. Oh god, I think I gained tons of weight. Oh my god. Yeah, but yeah, I'm chilling, having a nice time with my friends, just enjoying my day and my time. The beach had so many people in there, lovely people just having their leisure time, just chilling, relaxing. It was just peaceful and the environment was just so peaceful, the lightning, and the place is really nice, guys. You can always check it out when you come to Accra, Ghana. It's inside Labadi. It's called Aloha Beach Resort and the place is really lovely. I really enjoyed myself. So yes, we had a nice time at the beach. It was time to go. We had a nice time. The place was really nice. So many people looking amazing. It was everything. It was just a chill moment. So we're off to the Accra Mall, West Hills Mall, to watch Fast X. I couldn't wait to watch that movie. Yay. So yes, we are at the mall right now. I got my ticket, to watch Fast X. I was excited. But then when I got to the theater, I realized we were not more than 15 people trying to watch Fast X. I was like, what? This movie just came in. I'm surprised, less people trying to watch it. But still, yeah, it was exciting. The few people that we had, watching was still cool. We had a nice time. As you can see, the place is really empty. But I still had a nice time. I chose a place to sit. Yes, got my popcorn, my water. I was ready for this movie. So the X was full of drama, full of suspense, full of action. Oh guys, I'm sure you're going to love it. It was really, really nice. Just we had like less people in the theater, but we all enjoyed the movie. It was funny. It was just hilarious, guys. Yo, should just try and check it out. I'm sure you like it. So this guy in the movie was just so crazy. Jason Momoa was just crazy in the movie. Guys, just check it out. He was insane.